I was born in Goa, and it's the blood I have in me brings me back to the country I love. And it is nice to come back and see the difference, how things have changed in years, what it is like. And I would like, that is in me. I want to come back to the country of my origin, who gave me this opportunity. And if a resident complains, it's looked into immediately. It is followed. If it is not done the right way, the person responsible for not implementing or looking into the policy or the right thing to do is brought in. Is brought in, is given a telling off. If he doesn't do his job, he's fired. There's no not taking nonsense. For something to work, you have to have discipline and policies. For me, the very special event for me was the Queen's birthday, the 90th birthday. Yeah. So that time I was deputy mayor, I was in mayor. So, so she walked down the castle and she came with the mayor down, and I presented her with a present. I gave her the present. So that for me was in my entire life, I never thought, never in my life did I ever thought that I would be a mayor and be presenting a present to the Queen. And to me, that was it. I know people who have never even met the Queen or seen the Queen, but I've had the privilege, face to face. And you know, she's such a lovely person, and so is the family actually, all of them. To me, Brexit is, if you do not, you have to start somewhere. And you had to go hard on Brexit to get rid of corruption, all the problems. That is the only way. If you want to be successful, I think it's time, like, you start, it's time for England to think about themselves. Because what is happening is, because they're a bit soft. They're real, like being a gentleman, as you say, they are, gentle as they are. They're a bit soft. So they need to start being hard to sort of clear the riffraff and then say, okay, now we'll make a country good. So I'm in favor of it. You don't see the benefits now, but you will see it in 2 years' time.